Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain in detail to you how you can enable the Do Not Track feature on Microsoft Edge web browser. So let us show you how to do it and guide you through it. Head over to Microsoft Edge, launch it on your desktop computer or laptop. And this feature is a little bit hidden, but we're going to guide you through it and show you where you can find it, guys. It is actually very simple. So you will need to access your browser settings here on your home feed. Click on these three dots in the top right corner and click into settings in that drop down menu. Now inside your browser settings, guys, head over to privacy here. And what you want to do after that is make sure that this option here at the very top, send to do not track requests, is enabled by toggling it on here to the right. And after that, you will get asked by Edge to confirm your decision. So if you'd like to do it, guys, and enable the Do Not Track feature, make sure that you click into Send Request here, and that should do it. That's how you enable the Do Not Track feature on Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.